Hello everyone, today we have 2011 BMW X3. We add a key with Lancer, but for some reason the original key, the remote control doesn't work, and the new one that we made from using Lancer, very quick, we get the file and we dump it to this one with the empty slot, and it doesn't take 10 minutes, but after when I get done, the remote control doesn't work for some reason. I'm not sure it's because it's aftermarket, but also the original one does not have a signal. So when I go ahead and read it, so the car, it shows is like this one is the 315 frequency. So what we're gonna do is, and also I have this AZ. It doesn't work. It can swing, but cannot select. So most likely when you have this issue, I have some fault code. Let me show it to you very quick. I have the case, incorrect receiver case transmitter. We're gonna look at this, and then we're gonna have the engine control, and we have the locking system and a bunch of stuff. Actually, the customer, before I do this, he replaced the battery. But for what I see and what I usually have to fix this issue, I have to look at this antenna right here. So make sure you check all the fuse. If the fuse is good, make sure you're gonna have power from here to the antenna, and that because the trunk door open and close. Usually I found a broken wire somewhere, so it's not being updated yet. I'm gonna check this. And also I take the glove compartment. Let me get you some light over here. Alright, so we get this connected here. Alright, so gonna check the fuse. Otherwise we're gonna check the relay box. So that's I'm gonna make this as a part one, and I'll give you an update for the second part when I find out. But most likely it's gonna be the external antenna, and otherwise we're gonna update the software for this module right here. It doesn't take 10 minutes. So let's do something very quick over here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clear code to see what we have. And there. So the car start and everything with the new key, but the remote control doesn't work. I'm not sure. The original one, even I don't have a signal. I have to open it and take a look at it. The second one, after when I get the file, I write it to this with Lancer, but this one is an aftermarket. I'm not sure is that the issue or not, but let's see what's gonna happen. I'll clear this first, and then I will make a part two to give you an update, so I can make this very quick fix, and I will give you the update later on. Okay, so the case now has no issue after the clearing code. If something persists or something related to the fuse, it's gonna be permanent. It's not gonna be cleared. But since it's cleared, chassis stabilizer, brake system. Maybe I will do also something else to reinitiate and relearn the new battery. But this battery does not have a serial number or barcode on it, so maybe I'm gonna use the other number from the old one. So okay, fault complete. So this one is permanent. Brake pad wear sensor, front replace brake pad, central fault memory full, no control module. So CGM is that one right here. Okay, CGM, so central fault memory fault. So gonna go ahead, get this first very quick. We're gonna say okay, and so actuation test. Let's see if we can do delete memory, delete fault memory. Okay, delete fault memory, deleting, active. Okay, so fault memory has been cleared. Okay, so go back, reset control unit, reset control unit, reset control unit, reset, active. All right, so control unit has been reset. All right, okay, let's see, it's general, flex ray initialization 01, flex ray initialization in progress 2. Okay, finished. Okay, so go back, read fault code. Okay, it's permanent, no control unit fault. Okay, we're gonna go back and clear fault code. It's completed. Read fault code is permanent, so that means we have something hardwired. Oh, okay, so it looks like maybe because I take some wire out from here when I take the glove compartment. So let's go, no control unit fault, central fault memory. Okay, so maybe you can do this as a special function. Okay, go back, ICM, brace, tire status. So that's for the tire, we don't care about this for now. CGM, fault memory. Maybe we're gonna do a quick learn for CGM. Let's do this for the brake as a test. And okay, continue. Actuation test. Bomb motor, reset control unit, delete fault memory, deleting, active. Let's have a seat. So all right, so active memory has been deleted. Okay, tire pressure control reset production mode, tire pressure control. We don't have. Okay, so reset production mode. All right, so bump motors, function indicator light, automatic hold lid, reset control unit. All right, reset. It's gonna be active. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Let's go back to the CGM system selection, body, and then CGM. Just to fix this, because I'm not able even to select. I can move up, but when I press There's nothing on there. Okay, so hit OK. Clear code. Alright, reset unit. I already did this, so we're gonna go back. Central gateway, traverse sound, view camera, SRS, GBE, junction bus. Okay, fast, firm, AC control, ZBE controller. Alright, situation test, function indicator light, delete faulty memory. So this one has no faulty memory anyway, so let's go back. Coding and configuration, backup and recovery, coding, programming, backup restoration, program, device with network interface, if necessary, disconnect. Okay, so coding. Okay, so factory status date F025, hit OK. Try to get some light. A little bit better. Alright, so coding CGM prompt encoding takes a long time whether to continue. Alright, so let me try the antenna first before I'm gonna start coding anything else, because my mission today is program the key and get the remote working. So I will make a different part of the video for the coding CGM to fix this issue right here, and I will pause the video. I will make this as a part 1, and then I will update you for my finding for the part 2. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Okay guys, so we didn't have to make another video for the part 2. I found the wire was loose. It's right here, and now I got the original one to work, but the aftermarket one, it doesn't work. So now the new one can start the car but no remote. This one is working now, but because the car is running, let me show it to you very quick. Oh, wait. Close the door. Turn off the car. Can see that? Lock. Unlock. Right, so I don't see the blinking light over here. That's still gonna work on it, and still gonna work on this. So, but at least I get the brake, the remote system work from the bed antenna, and now we can start without no issue. Before I have to stick this close to the coil. All right, so yep, turn it off, put the key away right here, start the car. There you go. All right, so if I found if I have a chance to make another piece of video, I will make one very quick. And thank you guys, thank you for watching.